Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to tell you regarding matrix. Matrix is a singular word. Its plural is matrices. M-A-T-R-I-C-E-S. Matrices is plural. This term was first coined by an English mathematician, James Russell, by the 19th century. In matrix, we know that it is a rectangular arrangement of rows and columns. Horizontal lines, they are called rows, and vertical lines, they are called columns. These are rows, row 1, row 2, and this is column 1, column 2. Different symbols are used for matrix. First symbol is this. This is used for matrix. This symbol is used for matrix. Or we can use this symbol for matrix. Matrix always represented by a capital letter. Always we use capital letter to represent a matrix. And the elements are always written inside. For example, matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a matrix. Horizontal, as I told you, horizontal, there was rows. So this is row first and this is row second. Here it has two rows. Now see, I told you vertical, they are known as columns. This is column first, this is column second, this is column third. So while writing a matrix, we always write rows first in columns. That is called order of a matrix. So it has 2 rows and 3 columns, so its order is 2 into 3. So now we can define a matrix. It is a rectangular arrangement of horizontal lines known as rows and vertical lines known as columns. The order of a matrix gives the number of elements present in it. For example, here in this example, 2 rows are here and 3 columns. So total number of elements 2 into 3, that is 6. This matrix has 6 elements. Now see, we are coming to different types of matrices. Now we are coming to types of matrices. Row matrix, as its name suggests you, a matrix which contains only one row is known as row matrix. A matrix which contains only one row is known as row matrix. For example, A is equal to 1, 5, 7. It has one row. So it is known as row matrix and its order will be 1 into 3 because it has one row and 3 columns. So while writing a order of a matrix, first we write rows and then columns. This will give the total number of elements present in this matrix, that is 3. 1, 2, 3. Here 3 elements are present in this matrix. Column matrix. If a matrix contains only one column. Column matrix. If a matrix contains only one column, then it is known as column matrix. For example, A is equal to 1, 7, 3. This is a column matrix having one column. As I told you earlier, that vertical lines, they represent columns. This is a vertical. So it has one column, and horizontal, we know that it represents rows. So it has one column. So it is a column matrix and its order is, how many columns are here? One column. And how many rows are here? 3 rows are here. So its order is 3 into 1. Because first of all, we write rows and then column while mentioning the order of a matrix. Next is rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. A matrix in which rows are not equal to columns. When rows and columns are not equal, such a matrix is known as rectangular matrix. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 7, 3, 9, 4. It is an example of rectangular matrix because it has 2 rows and 3 columns, so its order is 2 into 3. Another example of rectangular matrix is B matrix is equal to 1, 5, 8, 3, 7, 6. It is also an example of rectangular matrix. Here, there are 3 rows, first row, second row, third row, and 2 columns, first column, second column. So its order is 3 into 2. Now see, rows and columns, they are not equal. So it is an example of rectangular matrix. Next, square matrix. The square matrix is that matrix in which rows and columns are equal. Or you can say when the number of rows they are equal to number of columns, the matrix is known as a square matrix. For example, A is equal to A, B, C, D. Just see here there are 2 rows. These horizontal, they are rows, and vertical, they are columns. So its order is 2 into 2. Writing rows first and columns second. Now see, both of them are equal. Such a matrix is known as a square matrix. This matrix is of order 2 into 3. Now we are writing another matrix of order 3 into 3, which is a square matrix. 1, 4, 6, 8, 3, 2, 1, 1, 5. Just see here 3 into 3 is the order of this matrix. That means it has 3 rows. First row, this is first row, this is second row, this is third row, and this is first column, this is second column, this is third column. So its order is 3 into 3. Just see 3 rows and 3 columns. Both of them are equal. The number of rows and the number of columns are equal. Then the matrix is known as a square matrix. Next is null matrix or zero matrix. A matrix whose all the elements are equal to 0 is known as null matrix or zero matrix. For example, A is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. B is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. I have told you, I have not used the word square matrix because it is not a square matrix. I have told you a matrix whose all the elements are equal to 0. That matrix is known as null matrix or zero matrix. Examples I have given you that A is equal to 0, 0, 0, again 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, B matrix equal to 0, 0, and then 0, 0. Next is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Now just a square matrix. All of you know I have told you regarding a square matrix. So diagonal matrix is a square matrix whose diagonal elements are not equal to 0 and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. For example, A is equal to 4, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 7. These elements, they are known as diagonal elements, and rest of the elements, they are non-diagonal elements. So a square matrix in which diagonal elements are not equal to 0 and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0, such a matrix is known as diagonal matrix. It is of order 3 into 3. And another I am giving example of order 2 into 2 of diagonal matrix 2, 0, 0, 9. Just see, this is an example of a diagonal matrix of order 2 into 2. Just see, these are the diagonal elements, they are not equal to 0, and non-diagonal elements, they are equal to 0. Next matrix is unit matrix or identity matrix. A square matrix in which the diagonal elements are equal to 1, 1 means unity, and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0 is known as unit matrix. It is represented by I. If it contains 2 rows and 2 columns, then we can also write it I2, or if it contains 3 rows and 3 columns, we write it I3. For example, A is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. It is of 2 into 2 order. Just see, it's a scalar matrix. These diagonal elements, they are unity. Here only 1 is here, and non-diagonal elements, they are equal to 0. Such a matrix is known as unit matrix. Is an example of order 2 into 2, and this is an example of order 3 into 3. Again, A matrix is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Just see, these diagonal elements, they are unity. 1, 1, 1 is there, and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. Such a matrix is known as unit matrix or identity matrix. Now we are coming to next one, and that is scalar matrix. Again, scalar matrix is a square matrix. Now see, in all the matrices I am using the word square matrix, but in diagonal zero matrix I will not use the word square matrix. Now see, scalar matrix is again a square matrix whose diagonal elements are same and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. For example, A is equal to 3, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 3. Again, it's a square matrix. Just see, it has 3 rows: first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, third column. Its order is 3 into 3. And just see, diagonal elements, they are same other than the unity. Next, of order 2 into 2, B matrix, again 4, 0, 0, 4. Just see, it's a scalar matrix of order 2 into 2. Here these are the diagonal elements and they are same, and these two, they are non-diagonal elements which are equal to 0. So this is an example of a scalar matrix of order 3 into 3, and this is an example of a scalar matrix of order 2 into 2. You can take some more examples also of these matrices. Now our next matrix, that is equal matrix. It is also known as equality of matrices. Two matrices are said to be equal if their corresponding elements are same and they are of same order. Same order means if first matrix is order 2 into 2, then second matrix must be of order 2 into 2 and their corresponding elements must be equal. Then we will say that the two matrices are equal. For example, matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 5, 4, 7, 8, and this is another matrix B is equal to 1, 2, x, y, 7, 8. Just see their orders are equal. This matrix is order 2 into 3 because it has 2 rows and 3 columns. Matrix B is also having 2 rows. First row is this one and second row is this one, and it has 3 columns. So I have told you that two matrices are said to be equal when they are of same order, and just the corresponding element. Second thing, 1, here it is also 1, and here it is 2, here it is 2, it is 5. That means when these two matrices are equal, we can find the values of unknown quantities also. That means 5 is equal to x and 4 is equal to y. Now see, we have compared their corresponding elements. Their corresponding elements are also equal. So this is an example of two equal matrices. And then you can take another example also of order 3 into 3. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 5, 9, 8, 6, 1, 1, 4. And the matrix B. Here, so B is equal to x, y, 5, 9, z, 6, 1, 1, 4. Now see, if A is equal to B, just see here A is equal to B, because they corresponding, they are of same order. And when A is equal to B, this implies that their corresponding elements are also equal. So the value of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 8. So equal matrices are those matrices in which rows, they are having same corresponding elements and same order. Now thank you very much, and today I have told you regarding different types of matrices. If you are having any doubt or any confusion, just ask me, so that should be not continued further. And thanks a lot for your cooperation. And now all of us know that the world is, we are facing this coronavirus crisis, and our administrators and principal madam is providing such a nice facilities. That is why we are doing so much. And thanks a lot. Subscribe to my channel and tell me likings or whatever you want, you can ask me. Thanks a lot for your cooperation.